Today's video is extremely special to me because not only is it my very first YouTube video, round of applause, but I'm also going to be talking about something that I believe is very important. I'm going to focus today on what products I'm using now when I'm going into different clients' homes, Airbnb properties, businesses, things of that nature. So stick around, stay tuned. We're going to get down to the nitty-gritty with the cleaning lady.
Oh boy, I feel weak, I feel insane. I feel you all in my veins. I need you.
It's the cleaning lady here, owner of C's Cleaning Service, and welcome to my channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for all things cleaning with the cleaning lady. I do want to make sure that anybody that's watching this video, if you do have any pets or kids in the home, make sure that all of your cleaning products are locked away or in a hard to reach area. Okay, so for my first product here today, this product is actually one of the products that I rave about to my customers. Simple Green D Pro 3+. Okay, so why do I rave about this product? If you see here, first of all, it kills 99.9% of germs, but also first three words here: cleaner, disinfectant, and sanitizer. Okay, because of everything that's going on right now, we really want to have products in our home that do all three. Okay, clean, disinfect, and sanitize. Disinfect and sanitize, two totally different things. I'll maybe do a video about the difference, later on, but it also is a deodorizer. It smells pretty good. Okay, if you have people in your home that are essential workers, even if you are quarantined but you're going out to the store, you go move your car, anything that you have to go outside and put a mask on, you want to make sure that you have something to clean, disinfect, and sanitize your home. Okay, I will post the link for the Simple Green product, where it can be purchased, the website, so you can read more about it. Okay, but just some main things about this: it is concentrated, so I go ahead and I use a spray bottle similar to this one. I fill it up majority with water, and I only put about 2 capfuls of the product in the bottle. Like I said, it's concentrated. That means that it's very strong. Okay, you don't want to be breathing this in. If you're going to use it, you want to make sure that you're utilizing it with the windows open or open space. But one of my favorite products, I use it pretty much now in every place that I'm going because this virus is going around so crazy, and I live in LA, so it's really bad out here. So I want to make sure that my clients are being protected from any viruses that can be coming into their homes, Airbnbs, businesses, etc. Okay, so next product I'm going to talk to you guys about: Clorox Cleaner+Bleach. Okay, a lot of people like bleach because of what it does. It is a disinfectant. Okay, bleach is disinfecting as long as it says it's disinfecting on the label. This is one of my favorite products here, one of my favorite household products. As you can see, it kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses found in the home. This can be found at Target, Walmart, maybe even Walgreens, like pretty much any store that you can go buy cleaning products from, Home Depot, Lowe's, anything like that. You can find this here. Amazon, I always order from Amazon because I can get multiple bottles for a pretty decent price. I use this in the bathroom. Okay, so when I'm cleaning the toilet, I have a dog, so when I'm cleaning my toilet off, getting the dog hair from, because for whatever reason dog hair ends up everywhere. I don't know if that's just me, but dog hair ends up everywhere. So I use this in a microfiber cloth on my tub, my toilet, my sink vanity. I don't like to use it on like any wood or granite countertop, anything, because it doesn't say multi-purpose, so it leaves like a white film. Like I've learned, I've been doing this for a while, so I learned that when you use certain products on the wrong surfaces, it can damage the surface. Okay, so I'm gonna try to give you as much knowledge as I have for what can be used and what shouldn't be used on surfaces, but also read your labels. When you're researching products, look up the products, Google, use YouTube, use anything you can possibly use to make sure that you're grabbing the right products for your home. Okay, next product here that I use in my clients' homes, in my home, sorry, I'm not big balling like that yet. Clorox Cleaning Bleach Gel. This is a toilet bowl cleaner, okay? So thing about the toilet bowl is that we use the bathroom on the toilet, okay? So we want to make sure that we have something that when you leave it sitting for a little while, it is gonna cling up to whatever is there. You use a toilet brush, a toilet bowl brush, scrub it out. I let this stuff sit maybe about 5 to 10 minutes. I start cleaning other things in the bathroom, and then I'll come back, scrub it out, okay? It also kills 99.9% germs. Pretty much every product that I'm using right now, unless they want me to use non-toxic products, or products that are plant-based or natural or DIY products, is gonna be something that says this on it, because again, the virus is running rapid around the United States and other places, and we don't want to catch it. So we want to make sure we're preventing ourselves. I'm, as the business owner, make sure that I'm preventing my clients from catching any virus however I can. Of course, I'm not God, but I can try to make sure that I am helping disinfect and sanitize their home, okay? So moving out of the bathroom, let's see here. Glass cleaner, okay? This is one of the products that it took me a while to find this product. Not that it wasn't always in the stores, but I was using Windex, okay? Started cleaning 5 years ago. I'm 27, gonna be 27 now. So I was 22 when I started my business, and I was just using like stuff that I could find at the dollar store when I first got started, okay? Because I didn't have a lot of money. I still don't have a lot of money, but over time, you know, I'm able to invest into better products, okay? This product is, haven't found a glass cleaner that I like better than this. Sprayway. It says world's best glass cleaner. I can agree with that. I have this is the foam in action. It's ammonia free and it's a streak free shine, okay? A lot of glass cleaners say that they're streak free, but when you use them, there's like this dusty film on the glass that it takes forever to try. Sometimes you can't even get it off. So I use this and I've never had a problem with any like film, any streaks, none of that. I use a dry microfiber towel and I go ahead and spray this on the glass or on the mirror, and before I know it, good as new, okay? This can be found, I will put a link, like I said, for all the products that I'm posting about, or I'm doing recording about, whatever. All the products that I am reviewing right now, I'm gonna post in the description where you can find them at, okay? But this can be found anywhere. You can order it online, Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, Target. They have this pretty much anywhere now as well. So for any of you who are watching that like to use plant-based product, non-toxic product, natural product, these products I'll start with Method. Now I'm sure if you haven't heard of Method, it is actually a really, really, really good brand. They have a plethora, big word, they have a lot of different cleaners for different things. I think I'm gonna do a video just on Method and all of the different cleaners that they have, okay? But these are two that I have that I use a lot. A lot of my clients have granite countertops, okay? If I'm not using like water and like cleaning vinegar, I don't like to put chemical on countertops because it can mess it up, okay? Granite is a porous surface, so it does soak in, it can soak in chemicals. So we want to make sure we're using chemical that is meant for that surface. So Method, it's non-toxic, surface safe, it's plant-based. It also shines the granite, marble, and stone, okay? But it cleans and polishes. This is an apple flavor, we're not tasting it. It's an apple scent. It smells really good, but it also does leave it fairly clean and with a nice shine. So if you are looking for a natural plant-based granite cleaner, Method has a great one. I love this and I do recommend it, okay? The other Method cleaner that I like to use is the wood cleaner. Now I also have the squirt and it's like squirt and mop wood method wood cleaner as well for the floors. That works great with hardwood floors. And again, these are all surface safe, non-toxic, and plant-based products. Okay, so a lot of people, especially out here in LA, a lot of my clients, they don't want to use toxic chemicals in their home. They don't want to use anything that's not natural. So method has came through in the clutch for me, so that I can make my clients happy. All right, so this one, I use it on wood tables, wood chairs, anything wood. This is a great thing to use. It smells good. It like has this almondy, like walnut type of smell. Great, great, great. So another natural cleaning brand, Mrs. Meyers, I'm sorry. These are two multi-surface cleaners here. One is a lilac scent. The other one is lemon scent. These are, like I said, multi-surface, so you can use them on pretty much anything. Also, about 98% plant-based, non-toxic, great for all surfaces, smells great, it removes dirt, things of that nature. It doesn't sanitize or disinfect though, so you want to make sure, like if someone right now has came down with the COVID-19 virus, that you are using a product that has disinfect and sanitize on the label. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for all things cleaning with the cleaning lady.